Paul Rossi here with the Drone Genuity and 910 Drones. I want to talk about drone business. What do I need to start my drone business? Well, I suggest that you go out, buy a brand new Phantom 4 Pro V2 and just sling it. Totally kidding. Do not do that. If you are considering starting a drone business, what I recommend is that you get connected with somebody local. They don't have to be the best drone pilot, but somebody that understands the equipment and the technology that are in these drones. And consider what it is that you're going to be doing for your drone business. Is it real estate, photography, videography? Do you want to do inspections? Do you want to do surveying support? All these different options for drones are going to determine which drone you want to purchase. So once you know what is it that I want to do for my drone business and sit down and connect with somebody that understands drones, you're going to be able to put a plan together to find out who is your market and what equipment you need to operate. Something else that I highly suggest is connecting with somebody that understands business. This might be somebody that already has their own business or works at helping others build their businesses up. Being able to put together the right model that pertains to the services that you were trying to provide and identifying your market and how you can reach your market is going to help you launch your drone business ahead of the others in your area. If you have any questions about drones, drone services, or kind of how to get my business up and running, you can reach out to me or you can search for someone local in your area that you may be able to sit down and talk with personally. My contact information will be available below. Thank you for watching.